Hi guys, this lecture would be about Google Keywords Planner. You know, keywords have a huge effect for SEO. Keyword means everything for Google. Keywords is how Google understands what your website is talking about and what every page is talking about. So we have to know which keywords people are searching for in order to include them in our website and try to rank high as possible for these search terms. So first of all, I want to show you how do you go into the Keywords Planner for the first time if you've never been in this tool before. I want you to go into this URL right here, adwords.google.com/select/AW. Click enter. Now when you've got this page, all you have to do is just click save and continue. Now go to Tools, Keywords Planner, and here we are inside Google's Keywords Planner. So this is just the first procedure in order to go to Keywords Planner, but next time when you want to go to Keywords Planner, all you have to do is just search Keywords Planner, go to this URL, and here we are inside Google Keywords Planner. So this is the procedure for the first time. In the next lecture, I'll show you everything you can do with this tool. Let's move on to the next lecture.